Hey, Jean Lynch coming back to you today, the absolute last video of our workshop series. And I thought it was really important to circle back to where it all started, since we're talking about healing, we're talking about energy, and that is to recap, regroup, go over, realign the chakra system. So stay watching. We're going to finish this beautiful workshop series with the beautiful chakra system. That's all coming up next on my channel. Stay watching. Hey, thanks for staying clicked in, and certainly thank you for watching this series and being part of it. We will be taking a break. I won't take a break from doing videos, but the workshops format will stop and we'll start back up probably, March, April, like we do every year, and go through November. The next year's modality hasn't even come to me yet. Usually comes in around December on a bike ride. So stay looking for that to see if you're going to join us for next year. So as mentioned, we're sealing up, we're wrapping up, we're realigning, we're going back to the chakra system. And why? Because every modality that we dabbled in this year on this series absolutely had the chakra system in there, because it's all about energy. Do you agree? I love the chakras. I love reminding you just how important they are. And one of the things that gets me through every day when I think about the chakras is that you can just have an intention for them to be balanced, clear, neutralized, open, activated, whatever you're wanting or needing for your energy field. You can just put that intention out pretty quick and it can happen, because we know our mind controls so much of it. So I'm going to break it down by showing you the beautiful little slides to support the description of each of the chakras. It's going to be a little different video. You're not going to see my big fat head. You're going to see beautiful slides with movements, yoga, oceans. Oh, can't wait to share this with you. So stay watching. We're going to break down each one of the chakras, or go right up through the chakras on this video. Thanks again. Can't wait to share.
Base or root chakra, Muladhara chakra. Bija mantra, seed sound, is Lam. It is related to survival, security, and is the closest to the earth, resting at the base of the spine. The color associated with it is red. It is naturally associated with the element earth. To keep this chakra healthy, exercises such as dancing, jogging, or jumping are beneficial. We should see if our security needs are being met and take our power to create our own security in our lives, so that our world is a safe and enjoyable place for us. Its message is, I exist. Live your life proudly.
The Sacral Chakra, Svadhisthana. Bija mantra is Vam. This chakra is related to sensuality, sexuality, and the desire for pleasure. It is in the lower abdomen, and its color is orange. Svadhisthana is associated with the element water. Belly dancing, loving partnerships, and yoga can enhance the function of this chakra. This chakra says, I desire. Live your passion, whatever that may be. What are your dreams? How do you desire to live? Claim your dreams and go out and make them a reality. Give birth to your dreams.
Solar Plexus Chakra, Manipura. Bija mantra is Ram. Its color is yellow, and it is related to our power in this world. Its natural element is fire, and this is where the fire in your belly term derives from. An overbearing solar plexus chakra one not in balance with the other chakras in your system, or one where your energy is solely focused, can result in obsessive, compulsive control. A third chakra, or solar plexus chakra, with a healthy flow allows you to control your destiny, feel your power, and accomplish your dreams. The message of the third chakra is, I control. Go forth and control your own destiny and happiness. You deserve it.
Bija mantra is Yam. Green is the color of this chakra, and it relates naturally to love and compassion, being at our heart center. This fourth chakra is associated with air. Healthy relationships, pets, family, even appreciation of beauty and nature enhance the health of this chakra. Anahata says, I love. Let your heart energy flow freely in and out. Be open to receiving the love that is available to you now. The free-flowing love that is your birthright. Sense your Reiki family around the world. Feel the great love that you all share and that you selflessly emanate into this world. Shine the love that you are.
The throat chakra, Vishuddha. The Bija mantra is Ham. The throat center, or communication center, is where you speak your truth in this world. Its color is blue. When this chakra is flowing at optimum levels, you have the ability to ask for what you need. You also reflect your truth in the world through this chakra, through your communication. Singing, chanting, and breathing exercises can enhance the health of this chakra. The message of the throat chakra is, I express. Do not suppress your own beautiful voice. Speak your truth. Sing your joy. Emanate your love through the vibration of your words.
Third eye chakra, Ajna. Some associated Bija mantras are Sham, or Aum, or Om. The natural color of this chakra is indigo. Insight, intuition, awareness, and guidance are the properties of this sixth chakra. This chakra, located between the eyebrows, says, I am the witness. Meditation and visualization exercises can assist the healthy flow of this chakra. Be open to your inner guidance. Listen to your thoughts. They will assist you on the right path.
Crown chakra, Sahasrara. Some associated Bija mantras are Om, or Ah, or Soham. It is the silence between the space and represents spiritual connection. It is associated with violet or violet-white light, a color many Reiki practitioners are drawn to and use in their work and meditations. Located a little above the top of the head, it represents union, bliss, the knowledge of being at one with all. Cosmic consciousness and peace are the frequency at this chakra. I am that I am. It may be beneficial to meditate on the chakras for increased health of your energetic system and even intuit themes from them. Some simple ideas are breathing energy into your chakras, starting at the base, seeing the colors vividly, and visualizing your beautiful energy centers spinning in a healthy way, filling your body with health, wisdom, and light. Another idea is to meditate starting at your base chakra and ask them if they have a message for you. The answers you receive may be quite insightful. Also, continue to give Reiki to yourself. This is one of the best ways to assist your body's energy system to function in a healthy way and to work toward wellness on all levels.
A beautiful thank you to Denise, Mia, Michelle, Sarah, Bridget, Christine, and Alana for volunteering your voices so I could save mine. Thanks again, guys. I really do appreciate your input. No pun intended. See you next year. Bye now. Seriously, there's only one way this series is going to end. Are you ready? My favorite movie, if I want to cry, beaches, and if I want to laugh, The Jerk. If I was going to change the world needs more awareness. More people like Buddha, please. More people aware of themselves, but also their impact in the world and others around them. My pet peeve is saying hi to a stranger and not getting a response. Hate that. And then personal quality about myself that I really enjoy. My desire for more knowledge. I just think that that's something that keeps me motivated for this channel, certainly, and the people around me. So I like that about myself. And then the last thing, what am I doing when I'm experiencing joy? Not necessarily shooting video, but I would absolutely say editing video, which means I should get to that right now. Hey, Jeannie Lynch, thanks again for watching. Thanks for being part of the series. I'll see you next video. I'll see you next year. I'll see you next workshop. Bye for now. Namaste.